Hello, my name is Ashley Young and I will be your sales representative here at Epic Auto Sales. I am currently sitting inside that 2010 Chevy Avalanche that you're interested in. You had a couple of questions and I just wanted to make sure I addressed them all here. The number of keys available, we do have one key available for this Chevy Avalanche. You also asked about headphones and remotes for the DVD player. I have the remote here, and down here I have all of the headsets as well. And then to also answer your question about the rust in the undercarriage, I took a peek and I didn't notice any rust for myself. I'm also going to show you a little video of the entire truck and show you the undercarriage best that I can. So here we go.